Hi. I spoke a little while back about an adapter that broke after using 1 week. And it was the GPK systems adapter. And I had bought two of them, so I have a backup. And the backup has been working for a couple weeks now. But I'm not really sure like how much longer it's going to work. The first one failed in a week. So I've been using this. It's been charging my computer, but I ordered a new one. I sent the other one back and ordered a new one of a different brand. I ordered this one, this helper one, and it's another piece of cheap Chinese junk as well. And it's a little different style. The thing that I really don't like about these adapters too is they have like high output. You know, they give off a lot of fields. And I wrap mine in shielding material. Probably going to take a lot of work here because it looks like this is kind of kinked up. Unfortunately, I called Apple when I started this project to see if maybe they had a product, a car charger. Because so many people use stuff in their car, and they didn't have anything. They had one that used like a heavy inverter. It would turn the DC power into AC power and then back again. So that's a lot of heavy emissions. So I'm going to go plug this into my computer. Okay, I got it plugged in. I put like shielding material around it because it does kind of, they are high EMFs. I'm not sure it puts out the output of the other one, but, why risk it? And it's plugged in. You can see there maybe the little yellow light that comes on. So let's open the computer and see what happens there. It is charged up 15% now. It was at 7 before. So we'll see how this one works. I'm going to use this for a little while. I'm going to see how this works over the GPK, because that was not good at all. So, maybe this one will work a little bit better given that it's designed a little bit differently. So we'll see. It doesn't look like it's as well made, but then who knows, what it is on the inside. It all depends. So we'll just see how it works, and we'll try this one for now. And if you like it, subscribe, share, and comment, and have a great day.